everybody, it's Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, here in Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina on a very windy day. Hopefully y'all can hear me well. I'm aboard this 2021 17 Montauk by Boston Whaler. This one is just becoming available on brokerage. Wanted to give you guys a video walkthrough, show you all the features on this one. It's a very comfortable boat. Quick walkthrough on the deck. This is something you don't see often on a Montauk of this size. It's an aft bench seat. I've got the backrest folded all the way forward, so it's a big sun pad in the cockpit of this boat. This one's powered by a Mercury 90 horsepower. It's got about 41 hours on it. Just had a full engine service done. Just had a detailed wash completed on the boat as well. This boat has the light blue hull sides with black logos, as you can see from the pictures. Another quick walkthrough. This one does have the fishing package, so we've got a live well under the captain's chair with obviously adjustable backrest. Either face it forward or backwards. I'll show you this if I can do it with one hand here. Put the camera down. Shows you just how much more seating this provides. It's a full beam, cushioned aft bench. Of course, you get a lot more storage with it as well, and access to your bilge there. Along with the fishing package, it has the teak package, so you get the teak on the swim platform and on both sides for boarding. This one does have Garmin GPS fish finder combo. Got your tachometer, fuel gauge, voltometer, and then all your basic switches on the dash. This one does have hydraulic steering, which is very nice. It does have the black bimini top. It has a cover for the console and the captain's chair, as well as bow cushions, 2 separate cushions. Don't have them snapped, just so I can show you this a little easier. This first compartment is either storage or your fish box. Obviously you plug that up and it holds ice or water, or it prevents water from coming up through. Keep it nice and dry. You can also use that or this padded forward console seat as your cooler. And then it also has an anchor locker up forward. I believe it's all bagged up still, keeping it nice and clean. Nice thing about the fishing package is that it is pre-wired for a trolling motor. So if you did want to install a trolling motor, it'd be easier to do. I'll show you inside the console real quick. Battery selector switch. This one has 1 battery. This one is empty, so your house and engine battery are all in one. Like I said, hydraulic steering. Really nice and clean. Like I said, only about 41 hours on the 90 4-stroke. Really clean boat. Fresh wash. Fresh engine service. Comes with a single-axle galvanized trailer with the swing tongue. Got the stainless prop on it. Like I said, light blue gel coat with the black Whaler logo and stripe. No bottom paint. This boat is ready to rock. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, please call me on my cell at 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, aboard this 2021 17 Montauk by Boston Whaler. Love to help you with this boat and get you guys out on the water for spring and summer boating season. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.